Okay, at this time we've completed our jetting. We are going to do our final video work. Line is open and flowing. There was a couple bellies in it. Definitely some calcite. There is a spot down at probably the end where it drops onto the tap of the city main. There's a spot where the fitting is kind of a little rough and rugged, but we got it as clean as possible. Got most of the calcite out. There are a couple spots with little bits that the jetter would not touch. So this time we're going to go ahead and take a look. I do want to make note in future reference that I would definitely recommend the cast iron get a D-scale, just due to not too bad right here, but once you get up to this point, you can see there's definitely some buildup on the pipe. It looks kind of rugged and really rough. And then as you see, this is where the transition is. This is where we go from the 4-inch cast iron to the 6-inch clay. Like I said, we did get the belly flushed out. There was no structural issues. As you can see, this is one of them, one of the bellies that we've come across. There's another one roughly about 45 feet. You'll see a spot right here where we have a good decent visual. And then come through, there's a little spot right here holding a little water, but as you can see the bottom of the pipe. And you see it's in pretty good condition at this time. Then we come back up out of the water, and then the rest of this has got pretty good pitch in it. A couple of these joints right here had some pretty large pieces of calcite. This spot right here couldn't get that top right section, but it is not in the flow or in the section of where flow is at this point in time. The rest of the line looks in pretty darn good condition. We are going to be coming up where it drops. Okay, this is where it makes it drop down. You're going to see a spot where there's a joint that's in pretty rough condition. We did do our best to get past that, but at this point in time it's not causing any issues at this moment. Everything seems to be flowing pretty good. At this moment in time, as you can see, we are at City Main. We're going to go ahead and start pulling back, and this will be our final tele-ice for today.